Dear potential investors, we are officially in the factory of 777 Holdings. We are a mining company, manufacturing company, which means cutting, polishing, maximize the profit, export, import of rough diamonds. This is where our warehouse will be. This is a warehouse where we're going to have some rough diamonds coming in here. This is a secure place all around in Kimberley, secure place. It's a diamond center. So I will explain to you exactly what's going to happen here. We have 3 operational sections on our division. So what's happening is we are going to have this place as a manufacturing place and as a holder of rough before it's transported to a client or before it's cut and polished based on the client specification. So our division is simple. We have a mining division, we have a buying and selling division, and we have a manufacturing division, which is this one. Now the factory is still empty. We'll have tables here for cutting and polishing. We are going to have this section, this side, is going to be called the viewing section, where some rough will be bought from this side. We will have people coming in to view and selecting some parts that they want to buy. Then this side, we're going to have a section where we'll have benches to polish, to cut and polish, where professionals are going to cut and polish. Yes, on a specific of client's specifications, because the client will tell us, I want this cut, I want that cut. From here we send to Joburg for certification, Kimberlite certification. So we will also have a smaller section for jewelry side, where we're going to be selling the Rolex watches, we're going to be selling used Rolex, we're going to be selling some of the manufactured watches here, with diamonds, rings, and wedding rings, etc. We'll have a small section there. So we'll have customers coming in to view and buy Chinese, people from UK, people from all over the world, and from our locals as well. So what I'm requesting is simple. As you can see, this factory is empty. This is our office here. It's a small office, but it's an operational office in a way, you know. So we'll have an office here where we're going to have some of the transactions happening here, you know. Our CC camera will be here to monitor everything. So as you can see, this side is where I spoke about this viewing section. That viewing section is going to be literally closed and it's going to be a secured section. No one is allowed in this side because this side is actually the one that's going to be very restrictive, because we'll have glasses here. We're going to set up glasses where when you want to hold a diamond, you just put in your hands in a glove, you will have a loop in there where you can take in view. Once you have selected a parcel, it is going to be taken to the office, the bill will be done, the payment will be done. What we're requesting now at this point, we're requesting some potential funders or potential investors to come in on the buying and selling, manufacturing, or on the mining side. The mining side, we got documentation where we have partnered with some local communities, some private land, some will be in with the kings and chiefs of the land, but we have the rights to mine. We hold a license to cut and polish. We hold a license to buy rough, resell rough. We hold a license to manufacture, which it's a beneficiation one, which we're going to be cutting and polishing here and exporting. To cut and polish to maximize the profit. Your profit, if you buy the rough at X amount, when you cut it and polish it, the price goes higher. So we inviting people who might have muscles to come in and partner with us financially, because we want to set up our factory here. We want to take care of our daily expenses. The cutting, polishing, and buying and selling is ready to operate. We are ready to operate. We just need some funds. We not specific in terms of how much they fund, each individual can fund us, but $5,000 or much more than that, depending on the amount of money we get as investment, we can then have the stock and be able to know exactly how we're going to set up our factory here. And we want to make this factory very busy. We want to make sure that also obviously create some jobs, some students who are doing cutting, polishing. So we are here. Find us on Instagram, find us on Facebook pages, but we are ready to operate as our company is starting to do very well from next year when the funding comes through. So thank you very much. I'm out.